Are you gonna make it?
No. Okay. But let's keep going.
We did not read the directions properly.
Well, we just rented a U-Haul so we can get the 8-foot slider up here. And I just pulled into the property and check this out. We've got a tree down. Well, not a tree, but a limb, so hopefully that's the only thing we lost. It's a pretty good sized limb. All right, got that down with the backhoe. Out of the way for now until we can get a chainsaw up here. And just move the rest of it out by hand. Boy, this thing was dead. There's another big branch up there ready to come down right below the one that fell.
What was that?
Consent to use that. Pull it back. Let me do.
There.
Yo, hold it open, bro.
Mace, he's trying.
I'm gonna go help Dad.
That's a lot of weight.
You go down.
Yeah, stand up.
This is not gonna work.
Well, we need to figure it out before we get going up the stairs.
Well, I can't hear you.
Are you gonna make it?
No. Okay. But let's keep going.
Careful. Okay, you're gonna have it all now.
If you could walk a little bit faster.
Going around the mountain when she comes.
Hard part's done.
She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes.
Ready?
Yeah, ready? 2.
Ice! 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 Ice!
How we doing? Good.
Watch.
Take a break.
Take a break. Smith wants moving services.
Got it from
Good, that's all we've been doing recently. It's moving.
Ready? 3. Can I have some help on this end?
Yes.
It's getting a little heavy. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Tip it.
Pivot. Pivot.
I thought you were supposed to. What are we doing? Pick it up! I have no idea. Pick it up! Why would you? You just stood there.
I
You
know,
just
I'm like-
started. Okay, so watch
This
this.
is way easier, isn't it?
Watch.
Way easier.
You just stood there.
I know, I'm like, it doesn't.
You're right in the middle, honey.
So,
All right, you're at the top,
I
babe.
can pause.
Let's just take it all the way in the treehouse.
Oh my god.
Can you or no?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Are you the cheerleader?
I'm not doing anything. Mason, watch out for the edge.
Probably go in the door here. Side door. Oh yeah. Let's see. This will lean up against this. There you go. Oh, perfect. That way it's nice and light.
Do I want it to go right to the edge of the house here?
Maybe not quite, so you can fold it down, right? Where it's sealed. So we're working on putting that behemoth in today. Bought a sill pan, but what did we get? A 78 inch and a 40 inch and kind of pieced it together because we need 96 inches. So Jamie got this all flashed. We were going to put a metal flashing like, you know, like regular deck ledger flashing. We think this should work. I mean, it's literally 20 feet down to the ground, so there's nothing really to stop, you know, catch water and let it sit there. So we kind of wrap this flashing tape down onto the blocking. So what water does get back there should just run off. No. Oh, okay, I'm good. Actually, wasn't that bad. Well, the hard part's done. It's up here. So we're going to finish flashing this in, get the sill pan in, take all the bracing off this thing, and get it set into place. Yeah, fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. Sill pan is in. We use the, what's that blue stuff that stinks?
It's just PVC cement. You know what we're out of?
No.
Second.
What are we out of? Again. Whoa.
Go smart and get a second tube.
Oh, there you go.
Caulking for the slider.
Yeah.
So here's something we didn't anticipate. There's a nailing flange on the bottom, which I guess makes sense, but over here we've got only a 1/2 inch. So we're gonna have to notch out the nailing flange. Everywhere we have a joist right here and there, every 16 inches across. Never easy.
It's always something.
It is.
Gosh.
All right. Oh, that one. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. All right. So we got it in. It's looking pretty straight and level and plumb, so. Back.
Yeah. Figure it straight out. It's got to go in that channel.
I know. Are you in the channel?
Yep. Oh, okay.
Can we do it?
I think so. Let's see. Ooh, that doesn't feel right. I think the roller's got to come out a little bit.
Here's a step 8. To adjust the roller wheels, remove the hole plugs on the interior face of the operating panel to reveal 2 panel adjustment screws. And with a Phillips head screwdriver, turn each adjustment screw clockwise to raise wheels.
Alright, easy enough.
Adjust each wheel 1 click at a time, testing operation after each adjustment.
Clockwise?
It says 1 click at a time.
Better.
That looks a lot smoother. Whoop. Yay! We did not read the directions properly. Clockwise raises the wheels up inside the door, making them not there. Counterclockwise drops them down, which is what we needed done.
Lots of nails. Get it tacked in, then we'll go around them.
All right, we're putting together the handles, hopefully.
Hopefully we're doing it right.
The directions are,
Not that great.
they're not great. They're not awful, but, you know, I couldn't pronounce escutcheon. Is that what it's called?
Yeah, the discussion plate.
I'm like the escutcheon.
Oh.
All right, so we're attaching the handles. We have, our interior is white and the exterior is black, so the handles are fortunately matching. So
That's
the
nice.
interior one is white and
Actually
the exterior is black. Thank
Okay.
goodness.
Handles
He
are
already
down.
did the black one. You want to show him the black one?
Nope, yep, black's done.
Black's done. It's
Little
got a
bit of stripping on it.
foam gasket doofucker.
So now I imagine these locked together somehow.
We're going to figure that out. That's
Okay.
going to take us a minute. Hold on.
All right.
Sliding door is in. Sliding door has flashing. Of course, now the deck has holes in it because we got to fix stuff, but it is looking good.
All right, I just cleaned up all the shims around the perimeter of the door. The last thing we have to do is put these corner seal pads in. I'm gonna go, I've adjusted this saddle here. So we'll put one on the right and one over here on the left. And then this door will be done.
Fine, I guess I'll shut it all.
Mason, don't! Mason, that's not funny.
So this is free right now. So we need to take this out.
Free?
It's free.
It's loose.
loose.
It's not.
Oh, I
fun.
think that it's free, like it didn't cost you anything.
Yeah. So we don't need your help. Just make
Make
sure
sure
this
wide
is
sweep. Wide sweep. Okay, I got
Okay.
it.
Why? Protect it from the trees. Don't get in my way. Ready?
Wait, what? I didn't hear any of that.
I don't know.
Get it
just kind of
straight. You said get it straight.
I did say get it straight. And now we tilt it.
You take a break. I'm gonna take a break. Get out of here.
Get on this side. Dad, get on this side to make
Tip it
sure
this
this
way.
We're tipping it this way, like you said.
No, it's gonna go this way better.
No, it's gonna cut off our corner.
What?
We gotta get in here a little more.
Which way are we tipping it?
Come this way, 3 feet. It's raining.